Water pollution control, protecting our most vital resource. Water is one of our planet's most precious resources, essential for all forms of life. However, water pollution poses a significant threat to its quality and availability. The contamination of water bodies, whether from industrial, agricultural, or municipal sources, can have detrimental effects on ecosystems, human health, and the economy. Effective water pollution control is imperative to ensure clean and safe water for current and future generations. Understanding water pollution. Water pollution refers to the introduction of harmful substances into natural water bodies, such as rivers, lakes, oceans, and groundwater. These contaminants can take various forms, including chemicals, pathogens, nutrients, and solids. Common sources of water pollution include industrial discharges, agricultural runoff, sewage, and stormwater runoff. Understanding the sources and types of pollutants is crucial for developing effective control strategies. Impacts of water pollution. Water pollution has far-reaching consequences, affecting both the environment and human health. Some of the key impacts include: 1. Ecosystem damage. Polluted water can harm aquatic life, disrupting food chains and ecosystems. Fish kills, algae blooms, and the destruction of habitats are common outcomes. 2. Health risks. Contaminated water can lead to waterborne diseases, causing illnesses such as cholera, dysentery, and hepatitis. It can also harm human health through the consumption of contaminated seafood. 3. Economic costs. Water pollution can result in significant economic losses. It can reduce property values, damage tourism, and increase healthcare expenses due to water-related illnesses. Water pollution control strategies. Effective water pollution control strategies are essential to mitigate its harmful effects. Here are some key methods and approaches. 1. Regulations and standards. Governments establish and enforce water quality standards and regulations, which set limits on the amount of specific pollutants that can be discharged into water bodies. 2. Wastewater treatment. Industrial and municipal wastewater treatment facilities play a critical role in removing pollutants from wastewater before it is discharged into water bodies. These facilities employ physical, chemical, and biological processes to treat water. 3. Best management practices, BMPs. In agriculture and construction, BMPs are used to minimize runoff and reduce the introduction of pollutants into water bodies. These practices include erosion control, sedimentation basins, and the responsible use of fertilizers and pesticides. 4. Stormwater management. Proper management of stormwater can prevent pollutants from entering water bodies. Techniques such as detention basins, permeable pavement, and green infrastructure help to reduce runoff and filter contaminants. 5. Monitoring and research. Continuous monitoring of water quality is essential to identify pollution sources and track improvements. Research helps develop new technologies and strategies for pollution control. Public awareness and involvement. Engaging the public is a crucial aspect of water pollution control. It is essential to raise awareness about the importance of clean water and the role individuals and communities can play in reducing pollution. Public support can lead to more stringent regulations, responsible consumer choices, and local cleanup efforts. Concluding, water pollution control is an ongoing global challenge that requires cooperation at all levels, from individual actions to government policies and industrial practices. Protecting our water resources is essential for the health of our planet and the well-being of all its inhabitants. By understanding the causes, consequences, and control measures of water pollution, we can work together to ensure a sustainable and clean water supply for generations to come. If you have complex and specific scientific questions or engineering problems regarding the topics I have explained, you can contact me.